Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna create landscape layer materials. How to create landscape layers like this. I have in this tutorial I have created 6 multiple layers: grass, sand, ground. We can learn how to paint layers, landscape layers. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the editor and select games. Select third person as template. Project name set to landscape layers. Hit create. Now go to file. Create new level. Set empty level. Hit create. After that, go to selection mode, landscape. Wanna create new landscape. Hit create. Okay, now we wanna set up the light. Go window. Environment light mixer. Create skylight, directional light. Okay, create height hook. And finally go down. Make this through volumetric hook. Now hit save all. Owner's name this level LE 01, level number 1. Return to selection mode. Now let's go here to content drawer. Add. Go to the fab. We wanna add 6 layers inside this total layer. First layer is grass. Go here. Material and texture. Choose grass material. More filter. Price set to free. Choose one of them. For best result, choose highest quality as possible. For me, it's a tutorial. I want to choose a medium quality. Add the project. Accept. Downloading is begin. Dried grass. Second material. Close this. Add the project. Return it. Let's search now for sand. Close this. Bright desert sand. Add the project. Now we have 3 surfaces. Okay, now rocky sand. Fine. Okay, now let's search for another material. For example, this ground apple. Return here, guys. Or ground. And let's see how many materials we have. 5, 6. Okay, fine. The first step is done. Now let's go here to content drawer. Create new material. Landscape underscore matte. Drag this one right here. Save all. Now what we have to do is to go here with the fab, Megascan surfaces, and let's begin with materials. First one, this material. I want to choose the textures. Those 3. Select all of them. Okay, first one. Okay, go down right here and make material attributes. base color to the base color, normal to the normal, and this one with 3-1. Okay, blue channel for the displacement, green channel for the roughness, and the red channel for the ambient occlusion. Okay, now let's search for texture codes or landscape layer codes. Create constant, convert to parameter, send, scale. Set default value to 1. Drag here and choose for multiply node. Drag this right here. After that, we wanna connect all of those. Now, for this one, select it and go here, use material attributes. This layer 1, search for landscape layers. Our landscape layer plan. Select it, wanna choose 6, D4, 5, 6. Let's return here. The first one is sand. Sand layer. Second one, dried grass layer. Dried layer. Third one, grass and rubber layer. That's beinen. Fourth one, ground rubber layer. Ground layer. Fifth one, what's the name of this layer? Old road layer. And the final one, rocky sand layer. Okay, now let's do the same thing all of those. First one is sand. Next right here. Select all of those and this. Ctrl C, Ctrl E. Copy. 5 tiles. 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Now let's add the second texture. Okay. Texture, select those 3 here. Okay, let's go down. Connect all of them and return to the next part. The final one. Texture number 3. Let's return to surface. Grass and rubble. What? First one. Okay, fifth one. And the final one. Rocky Sense. Okay, let's drag this one right here. And let's be connect the multiply node right here. Okay, base color to base color, normal to the normal, blue channel to displacement, green channel for the roughness, and the red channel for complete occlusion. Next one. Do the same thing for all the texture. Blue channel, displacement, roughness, and the red channel for the ambient occlusion. Okay. Red channel for the ambient occlusion. Green channel roughness, and yellow channel for displacement. Remain the textures. Normal, ambient occlusion, roughness, and final displacement. The final texture. Okay, normal. What is the ambient occlusion? Green channel for the roughness, blue channel for the displacement. The node connector of those. Okay, it's remaining one thing. Is to rename the scalar parameter. Select the scalar parameter. The second scalar, what's the name of dried grass? Dried scalar. Third one, grass and apple. This and scalar. Third one, ground scalar. Or draw it. Node scalar. Final texture is a rocky sand scalar. And scalar, it apply. Okay, before we save all, I have to drag this one right here. apply another time, save all, return right here, go to the content, create material instance, ls landscape mat instance, select the landscape and go down, landscape material, select right here and press this button. Okay, let's add the first material, primary material for the landscape. It looks too black. That's not good. To solve this problem, we have to go ahead to landscape, go to paint. After that, create layer from assigned material. Press this. We have all of those material. Let's choose the first layer is ground material. Okay, before you do that, you have to create layer information. The second one, the final one is rocky sandy. Okay, let's choose the first layer is the ground layer. For the ground layer, I'm gonna press the mouse button and hit fill layer. Okay, this first one. Now let's test the select sand layer. Have to paint. This works fine. Second one, the right layer. Okay. Me finding the okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching this all for this tutorial. See you later on next tutorial. Subscribe to the channel for next or tutorials like this.